5 quick optical illusions. This first one's called Benham's Top, and it's a black and white disc pattern. If you're photosensitive to flashing lights, look away real quick and I'll bring it back when it's done. So when you spin it real quick, most people see an illusion of color in there. Weirdly, when I was making this, I saw green in there, but now I see red. What do you see? Done. This next one's called Filling In, or Troxler's Fading. So if you pause and stare at that little cross, the ring seems to disappear after a second. In this version, called Lilac Chaser, if you get the phone right up next to your face and stare at that black cross, then all the pink dots will fade away and you'll only see a green dot circling around in a field of gray. Or if you pause and stare at this one, it looks like the blotchy pattern disappears completely. Wherever you look at this grid, illusory dots appear at the intersections you're not looking at, but then when you look at them, they disappear again. This one here is called a Hermann grid illusion. This one is called a scintillating grid illusion. The difference is this one actually does have dots in the intersection, but they appear to darken when you're not looking at them. In the hollow face illusion, a concave face, or an impression of a face, appears to invert itself, and then it just looks like a normal face again when it comes back around. It's the same thing what's going on when people press their face into the snow in those videos. And the final one for today is called the silencing illusion. And when you get it started, you can tell that the dots are rapidly changing color. But when you stare at the center while the entire picture is rotating, it becomes harder to tell that the dots are still rapidly changing color. Tell me your favorites or suggest some more illusions and I'll bring you some more illusions probably.